Hello, hi everyone. So today's video is gonna be मूंगा सिल्क स्पेशल. बहुत वैरायटी एंड डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ सूट सिखाने वाली हूँ मूंगा सिल्क में. बहुत टाइम से आई थिंक हमने मूंगा सिल्क नहीं दिखाया है एंड इट्स फेवरेट ऑफ ऑल ऑफ यू as it's a very flowy, soft and running fabric. It can be worn throughout the year. So guys, the first one in my hand, it is a three-piece Munga silk suit set woven on the same loom, the dupatta, the kurta and the bottom with the border. So guys, ये वाला मूंगा सिल्क इज अ स्लाइटली डिफरेंट फ्रॉम द रेगुलर वन बिकॉज ये यार्न डाइड मूंगा सिल्क है. मूंगा सिल्क क्या नेचुरल फॉर्म में बनता है एंड देन उसके बाद डाई होता है. इट्स जनरली दैट द प्रोसीजर इज सो. बट ये यार्न डाइड मूंगा सिल्क है तो थोड़ा टेक्सचर में डिफरेंट है. थोड़ा आप कह सकते हो टसर या रॉस जैसा फील आएगा आपको जब ये आपके हाथ में आएगा. बट जैसे आप पहनोगे, जैसे आप इसको फोल्ड्स ओपन करते हो और करते हो, ये सॉफ्ट होता चला जाता है. सो नेचुरल मूंगा सिल्क इज दिस वन. दिस इज प्लेन नेचुरल मूंगा सिल्क जो ऐसा रहता है. इट्स वेरी फ्लोई, वेरी लाइट, वेरी सॉफ्ट. और इसमें हमारे पास इट इज डायबल ऑल्सो. सो ओके गाइज, दिस इज द कुर्ता. It's entirely in kadwa, the whole work. It's fabulous piece. इसमें हमारे पास बहुत colors थे, but I have this black and a purple now. So this is the dupatta with it. You can see how gorgeous the entire set is. And the tassels are done. It's entirely ready to go out. आपको चाहिए तो इसमें cotton मल का lining लगाना चाहिए. And you want, we can provide you with the lining also. Okay, this the one I am wearing is also Munga silk suit set. It is with this fulkari weaving. So fulkari is a design of embroidery from Punjab, as many of you must be knowing. So इसको हमारे weavers ने बनारस में weave किया है उस design को, and in beautiful color combination. So we have 3-4 colors in this. In case you want, just ask for pictures and we'll send you across. And this is the entire suit set. So I'll just remove my dupatta so that I can easily and quickly show you all the suits. So guys, if you're watching us for the first time, you have joined us newly and you don't know what is this whole about. So we deal in pure Banarsi suit sets, fabrics and dupattas, and we have doing this for years now. And to know more about us, to get a good intro and know about us, you can check out our page on Instagram, Facebook, or you can visit our website www.heritageweave.com, and you'll get a better idea. You can browse the website, you can also shop from the website. But otherwise, the best way to shop with us is take a screenshot from our videos, send to us on our WhatsApp number, and then chat with us and know whatever you want to know and make the payment, and the piece will be shipped out to you wherever you are there in the world where shipping is possible. Okay, so this is another beautiful gorgeous purple shade, entirely in kadwa, pure Munga silk suit set, 3-piece for you. The price range for these suits is 28,620. So many of you send us comments and say that please price mention kijiye. So ma'am, we always mention prices in the videos. You have to listen to it. हो सकता है कुछ एक दो चीज़ के नहीं करते हो, दे आर स्पेशल एंड यू हैव टू चेक द प्राइसेस ऑन व्हाट्सएप. Otherwise, we usually mention the prices of each and every product of us, and you just have to listen to the video. Short videos में नहीं होते हैं mentioned. For that, you'll have to come to the main video and check the for the prices. और नहीं तो you can visit the website. उस पर ज़्यादातर products रहते ही हैं. अगर आपको खाली price range ही check करना है तो you can do that from there as well. Okay, I'm checking the label for this one. Okay, these suits are for 22,620. This is also pure Munga silk and fabulous design in silver zari and some meena. So this is the kurta. The bottoms will be in plain Munga silk matching to the kurta, and this is the back side. Border आगे पीछे दोनों तरफ दिया है. There are some fabulous colors and pieces. This is a peacock blue. Okay, now this is another color in this one. This is in patola style designed and weaving, and this is another beautiful color of pink. Okay guys, in suits ke jo length hai, it's 3 meters for the kurta, 2.5 meter for the bottom. This is the bottom, plain in Munga silk, and this is the dupatta. So in case you have any doubts, you want to know the length, width of the fabric, dupatta or anything, so you can come on our WhatsApp number, ask us your doubts, and we will clear them off. If you are ready to make the payment, take the payment method from us. We have various modes of payment, and choose one, select one and make the payment, and we'll ship the piece to you. It's that simple and easy. Within India 4 to 5 working days में आपको पीस मिल जाता है कहीं भी, and shipping is entirely free within India. और अगर आप ओवरसीज से देख रहे हो तो शिपिंग फॉर 50K एंड अबव इज फ्री. अगर उससे कम का आपका पार्सल है देन वी चार्ज फॉर इट, देन इट्स डिपेंडिंग अपॉन द कंट्री 4000 to 4500 per kg. So this is another beautiful color of yellow, entirely in silver zari, Bunga silk suit set, 3-piece. The price range is 22,620. These suits are fabulous and flowy, soft, light, and they can be easily worn for any wedding function, occasion, chota mota event hai. They look fabulous. You can dress them up, dress them down. और heavy करना है, make it, wear it with a very rich and heavy jewelry. अगर light function है, ज़्यादा heavy नहीं दिखाना है, to just wear light jewelry, some stud in the ears. Necklace is not required as the kurta is so heavy and busy. This is the dupatta with it. Okay guys, now moving on to another design, totally entire different category. Munga silk hi hai. Okay, this is the bottom with antique zari, copper zari. As you can see, the border is there on the bottom, and this is the kurta, and the dupatta in this one is in kora silk. So that's the difference. And zari, you can see it's antique copper zari, very beautifully done. It's in karwa, the entire suit, the dupatta, the kurta, the bottom ka border, everything is in karwa. So the price range for these ones is 17,620. So you can see how gorgeous the suit set is. Antique zari का अपना ही एक look रहता है. It's one of my favorite zaris. So this gives a very rich, classy look to the entire outfit. So this is a yellow color. This is the bottom with the border, and this is the kurta. There are many borders on the kurta. Just use them nicely. I know बहुत लोगों को आपको border नीचे दामन में लेना नहीं अच्छा लगता है, तो it's okay, use it on the sleeves, neckline बनाइए, side slits पे use कीजिए. There are many ways. Okay, this is the front of the kurta. I'm going to show you the back also, and there is sleeves का आधा मीटर का fabric also. I'm going to show you that. So this is the dupatta. The tassels are done. They are super ultra lightweight. The dupatta, the kurta, and they are ready to go out. And the bottoms are ready. So this is the half meter ka lag se sleeves ka fabric. The backside bootas are different in this one. So this is okay. Now another color in this. So I've shown you two pinks. One is a very light pink. This is a very dusky pink. So this is the bottom. इस पे border है antique zari का, and this is the kurta. The kurta ka back and front bootas are different. So this is the front. Just gonna get it close for you to have a nice look. So as you can see, this is the front of the kurta. This is the back of the kurta. Sleeves fabric is attached आधा meter. So the entire kurta is 3 meters ka. And this is the dupatta with it. They are fabulous pieces, some very nice shades and colors, and the copper zari is making all the entire suit look so rich and classy. Okay, guys, मेरे पास I'm having a very bad throat. मेरे पास ये एंटीक जरी में 3 ही pieces थे. Okay, now this is a totally different design. It's another fabulous shade of blue, aqua blue, with lots and lots of meena and less zari. So this is also in silver zari. The stripes, the border, as you can see, is in silver zari. And this is the front of the kurta with lots of popping up meena colors. And this is the dupatta. The dupatta ka border is also in silver zari. So this is the dupatta for it. And the bottom will be in plain pure Munga silk. So the price for this suit is 25,620 for a 3-piece Munga silk suit set. Okay, now this is another color I showed you. इसमें the composition is slightly different, guys. Entirely Munga नहीं है, इसमें थोड़ा टसर मिक्स है. So it is a टसर by Munga. So आपको थोड़ा, I think वीडियो में भी देख रहा होगा, the composition is slightly different. The design, the pattern, everything is same. The zari is silver. composition wise it's a slight different. आपके हाथ में जब आएगा you'll get to know the texture. So this is the dupatta with it. Okay, now moving ahead. So as I told you, बहुत सारे designs, concepts different दिखाने वाले हैं आपको इन suits में. So this is also in silver zari, very pretty lime green color and very contemporary design, entirely in silver zari. You can see the border, stripes का border दिया है नीचे bottom में, आगे पीछे दामन में, sorry bottom में नहीं, bottoms are plain. So this is the dupatta, very contemporary design, very light, very ultra lightweight, and this is the back side, same as the front. The bottom will be plain. Okay, now this is another very contemporary design, peach and yellow का combination है in silver zari. So बहुत आज different zaris के आपको मैंने दिखाए हैं. Munga silk suit sets, whatever you like, take a screenshot, come on our WhatsApp number, and this is the dupatta with it in yellow. So very fabulous combination of peach and yellow. Okay, so this is the last one what I'm going to show you now. It's in green and green ka combination. This is to a contemporary design in silver zari. Again, the border is there at the daman, and this is the dupatta with it. So guys, as I have told you, I think to shop with us is the best way. Is take a screenshot, come on our WhatsApp number, and we'll be there to help you.